Welcome back to my Security Pro TestOut certification here. This is my 8th video here on it, and last week I ended off on 6.9. I had just started that, and this week I completed 6.9, 6.10, 7.1, and 7.2, and I'm on 7.3 right now. So I learned about remote access, network authentication, cryptography implementations, and I'm learning about hashing right now. So let's go through and show some of these labs here. So one of these labs is configure Kerberos policy settings. That's a pretty simple one I can show you here. Okay, here it is. So in this one, it wants us to configure the Active Directory domains group policy management settings here. So to do that, we go into Tools, Group Policy Management, go down the forest and domain and then tree, go to the default. Let's extend this. Go to the default domain policy here, right click, edit. Now that we're in here, we go to computer configuration, policies, Windows settings, security settings, and then let's make this bigger here so we can see it. Then account policies, and then in here, Kerberos policy. So in here it wants us to set these values to these things, so we just go ahead and do that. Pretty simple. And now that we set it to those, that's the entire lab here. We just score it and we're good. And we set the Kerberos settings. So let's show one more and then we'll be done here. A cryptography one here. This one's pretty cool. We're hiding files with OpenStego. So in this one we really learned about steganography mostly, which is like hiding data inside of an image or something. So let's do that here. OpenStego app. And we choose our message file, the thing we want to be hidden. We're going to choose that text file. The cover file, we want to have some picture of a gear or something. And the output, we're going to just name it to send.png because that's what it wants. There we go. And it's going to go into the documents folder. Then we do use our password here to make it even more secure, so that when anyone does try to decode it, they need the password. Hide it. Looks like it works there. And then it wants us to also extract the data here. So we take our hidden send message, and it wants us to extract it into the export folder. And we have to put in our password, otherwise it won't work. So that kind of hides it there in that thing. And then we can see it successfully extracted it. And if we were to look in our File Explorer, you can see in the export folder, it did successfully extract the text file that we put into it. That text file that we put into the image. And then we hit it to be the send file. So just like that, that's how to do that. And that was a pretty cool one. And that was pretty much it for what I've learned so far. And thanks for watching this video.